about a spoonful of meditation. Just a spoonful, here and there throughout our days. Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com. Spoonful of meditation. Now, this serves whether you have a practice up and running, whether you're consistent, whether you use an app or not, whether you go to class for this or not. To me, meditation is truly being present and in a heightened state of awareness and focus. Now, how you get there is your personal choice, and I'm fine with that. What I want to introduce is the possibility of little spoonfuls throughout your day. So what I often do is I'll take a moment and tap into one of my senses. And maybe I'll truly taste something, or really inhale a fragrance of some kind. Or I might watch a bird on a branch, and just for a handful of moments, okay. I might listen to something that more intently than I would normally. Or I might touch something that invokes a certain calm and presence and ability to come back to the moment. Doesn't have to be formal. I'm offering this up. Don't make a big thing about it. Just the next time you find yourself in a down moment, not feeling blue down, but a quiet down moment, well, what can you do to enhance it, to center yourself, to recollect yourself? Just a spoonful, now and then, throughout your day. Thoughts? Questions? I'm at rapidbodymindclarity.com. We can always start a conversation. Thanks much. Cheers.